I'm going to show you how you can earn a decent income online through just using your phone. No fancy equipment, no technical setups, just from your phone. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate a passive daily income using just your phone. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn your phone into an income generating tool with a free automated system. And I'm going to show you screenshots of real people like you achieving real results and how you can do this too. My name is Lizelle and I help people, especially parents, earn an income from home on their phone working a 2-hour workday. I'm just showing you how to work smarter instead of harder because I was that parent that missed out on a lot of times with my children when they were small because I had to work. I could never be that stay-at-home mom that I always wanted to be until I found a way how I could work smarter instead of harder and how I can earn a decent income from my phone. This is the way I made my first million in 6 months. Comment phone below and I will send you a free guide on how you can get started. I'm going to share 10 points with you on how you can earn from your phone. You see, many people think they need fancy skills or massive tech setups to be able to earn an income online. But with the phones that we have available today, if you have a smartphone, there are so many apps that you can download on here and work a 2-hour workday right from this thing to be able to earn an income online. And I'm so excited to show you how to do that. You can start by dedicating 2 hours a day. If you can prioritize focus time of 2 hours a day, I will show you with a free automated system how you can start generating that passive income online. The free automated system, that is the game changer because that means your system, your business will work 24/7 online for you while you get to do life. I'm sharing a free system with you that's easy to set up and it doesn't cost you anything monthly. Look at a couple of these inside my community. They are already earning a daily income online just by using their phone. What I love about it is most of them are out and about, busy at these children's soccer games. Some are going on movies, some are celebrating birthdays. They are doing life while they are getting notifications from their phone, payment notifications coming in because their business is not sleeping, but they are working smarter instead of harder. It's so beginner friendly, you don't need any experience and no fancy technical setups. All you need is a willingness to change your life. I want you to imagine opening up your phone in the morning while you're getting up and you are seeing payment notifications are coming through. That is the power of having an automated system working online for you 24/7. That's the power of the digital era that we live in right now because you get to have a business that reaches the entire globe, not just the people around you. Click the link below to get started right away. The next 5 points that I'm about to share is crucial to your success. Consistency is key. I cannot emphasize it enough. Think about how many times you need to see an ad to actually look at it. I remember the first time I purchased an item from Shein, I was scared because I didn't know was I going to get my package. But as I was scrolling, I started building familiarity with the brand because I could see it everywhere. And then I started seeing other people buying from Shein. And then I was like, okay, let me buy. And I started buying and I'm still buying from them. That is the power of marketing. That is the power of showing up consistently. Because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. People will only trust you enough when they see that you are consistent online. The next thing is having high profitable digital products to sell. Within my program, I actually give you products to sell already, depending on which program you go with. You get a product that's high profitable that you can sell for 100% profit. That is called master resale rights. It means I'm saving you time, not having to create your own digital product. You can immediately start promoting and marketing your product without looking for customers because I'm going to show you how to do attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is where you show up on social media and you attract the right people to you. And the way that you promote it is through social media. It's by using your phone, choosing a social media platform and just being consistent with it. Make sure that you post at least 3 times a day. It doesn't matter what you are marketing. It just needs to solve a problem and it needs to be highly profitable. You want 100% profit for it and you need to have an automated system in place. And then use your phone on a daily basis to just go and post 3 times a day and maintain that consistency. The beauty about having an online business is you can scale your income without putting in more time. So as your business grows, you will grow with confidence and you can scale even further later on creating your own digital products or adding additional income streams. Having a master resale rights product and a community of people that are going to support you, and a live community where you can actually get on a live and ask some questions, that was powerful in my journey because I could ask questions at any time. Many people never start because they are so afraid of losing their money. What I loved about an MRR program, which is a master resale rights program, is it was only a one-time investment. And I actually have 4 different programs that you can check out in the link below that you can choose if you want to get started immediately. Start immediately being able to have a product that you can sell for 100% profit, and apps that you can use on your phone to be able to sell it. So as your business grows and as you add additional income streams, your freedom just grows. Imagine being able to work 2 hours a day from your phone. You're on your phone anyway. The average person spends an hour and 40 minutes on their phone. I'm sure if you're anything like me, we spend more time. You have your photos, you've got everything on here. What if you could turn your social media time into income producing activity time? Meaning only 2 hours a day can bring you in a steady, predictable, consistent income online. So the question is not, can I make money from my phone? The question is, when can you start to earn money from your phone? Because in today's digital era and the phones that we have available to us, you don't even need a fancy phone. You just need a smartphone and you can earn an income online. So drop down the link below, go grab your free guide, see how it all works, and reach out if you're ready to get started.